You're supposed to take yourself and you don't feel sorry for name other team. Fine, good, influential and powerful. You don't turn time into a country that you have beef. Try 60% of the psychology of people.
What's good?
Papasok eh.
Ouch. Wala natin mag-isip ng strategy. Isip tayo ng paraan. Ay. Wala ko masuot eh. 8. Ito si Earl, oh. Kumain pala siya ng Emperor Fried Rice.
Kaya gusto mo lumakas tol, papakagat ka na pa sa utong.
Sama. Nice to meet you. Nagal natin din nakita, ano?
Sarap po pa rin ah.
Oh yes sir bro, what's up? Kamusta workout?
Pwede mo guys.
Anong mangyayari sa Emperor Fried
Successful ka
Rice?
na tol. Napatumbang mo na yung Chowking.